Ladies and gentlemen, there is something deeply symbolic and powerful about 4 a.m. It's not just a time on the clock. It's a mindset, a commitment, a lifestyle. While the world sleeps, the few who choose to rise at 4 a.m. are not just waking up early. They are waking up to their purpose. They are telling life, I will not be ordinary. I will do what most won't, so I can live how most can't. The 4 a.m. mindset is not about the hour. It's about hunger, discipline, and sacrifice. It's about rewiring your brain to embrace discomfort and use it as fuel. It's about understanding that your dreams don't care about your feelings. They demand your action. When you train your mind to push past the pillow, past the excuses, past the noise of society, you begin to unlock a version of yourself you never thought existed. The 4 a.m. mindset is the mindset of warriors, of champions, of builders and creators. It's for those who know success doesn't come from wishing, but from working. So whether it's 4 a.m. or any time that challenges you, remember this: comfort is the enemy of greatness. The world doesn't need more dreamers. It needs more doers. Be the one who shows up. Before the sun, before the crowd, before the applause. Because the grind that nobody sees is what creates the results that everybody admires. 4 a.m. represents a sacred space of silence, where the world is still and distractions are few. It symbolizes discipline, ambition, and a burning desire to grow. It's a time that separates the dreamers from the doers, not because of the hour itself, but because of what choosing that hour says about your commitment to your goals. Waking up early is a declaration. I am serious about my purpose. It's a metaphor for mental toughness, choosing the uncomfortable path that leads to transformation. The 4 a.m. mindset thrives on discipline, not motivation. Motivation fades. It's emotional and unreliable. But discipline is a decision you make daily, regardless of how you feel. At 4 a.m., when it's cold, dark, and quiet, no one is watching, and your excuses are loud. That's when true discipline is built. It's about doing what needs to be done even when you don't want to do it. That daily act of self-respect turns into unstoppable momentum over time. Rising early allows you to steal hours from the chaos of the world and invest them into yourself. At 4 a.m., your mind is free, your energy is clean, and your focus is sharper. There are no notifications, no obligations, no interruptions, just pure creation. It's the ideal time to train your body, sharpen your skills, read, reflect, or plan your moves with clarity. In these silent hours, you build a life others will only dream about. Choosing to rise when your body screams for comfort builds a psychological edge. It teaches your mind that you are in control, not your circumstances or emotions. The 4 a.m. mindset conditions your brain to lean into discomfort and to embrace pressure as growth. Over time, you become more focused, more patient, more immune to distraction and fear. You train yourself to push through fatigue, resistance, and noise with unshakable resilience. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's built in small, consistent steps. The 4 a.m. mindset, when practiced daily, becomes a compound habit. Each early hour compounds into stronger habits, more productivity, greater self-trust, and faster progress. The consistency of showing up when it's hardest is what compounds into excellence. It becomes a chain reaction. When you win the morning, you start winning your days, your weeks, and eventually your life. Most people are driven by comfort and routine. But the 4 a.m. mindset is about escaping the trap of mediocrity. It's choosing a path that few are willing to take. The path of mastery, leadership, and legacy. When you rise early, sacrifice sleep for discipline, and choose progress over pleasure, you send a message. I am not like everyone else. Nimga. You create an identity of excellence and earn respect, not just from others, but from yourself. 4 a.m. isn't just an early hour. It's a mindset, a statement, and a symbol of silent rebellion against mediocrity. When most of the world is asleep, those who rise at this hour are making a clear choice. To live with intention, not by default. The act of waking up at 4 a.m. isn't about trying to impress others, nor is it a trend. It's a personal ritual of commitment. It says, I choose my mission over my comfort. I value my growth more than my excuses. There is something powerful and sacred about the stillness of 4 a.m. The streets are empty. The noise of society, emails, social media, calls, distractions hasn't started yet. In this quiet space, you're left alone with your thoughts, your plans, and your inner voice. And that solitude becomes fertile ground for reflection, discipline, and creativity. It becomes the space where the seeds of greatness are planted, long before anyone sees the results. Waking up at 4 a.m. isn't just about getting a head start. It's about gaining psychological dominance over your day. It flips the script of your mind. While others are dragging themselves into their mornings, you're already moving. You're not reacting to life. You're designing it. That act of beating the sun up gives you an edge, a sense of control that bleeds into every other area of your life. Your fitness, your work, your mindset, your identity. More importantly, the symbolism of 4 a.m. is about voluntarily choosing discomfort. The bed is warm. The body is tired. But you rise anyway. Why? Because your purpose speaks louder than your feelings. It's in this quiet, brutal choice that the mindset is forged. You become someone who shows up when it's hard. Someone who doesn't wait for inspiration, but creates it. And this choice, over time, becomes a habit. That habit becomes a lifestyle. And that lifestyle becomes your identity. The person who wakes up at 4 a.m. isn't defined by the clock. They are defined by their fire, by their refusal to be average, by their hunger to push the limits of what's possible. The symbolism of 4 a.m. lies in the message it sends, not to others, but to yourself. I am in control. I am willing to do what most won't. I am building something that can't be built while sleeping in. The 4 a.m. mindset doesn't rely on motivation. It thrives on discipline. Motivation is temporary, fleeting, and emotionally driven. It comes and goes like the weather. And when you depend on it, you become inconsistent. One day, you're fired up, ready to conquer the world. And the next, you're dragging your feet, making excuses, postponing your progress. That's why those who build their lives on motivation often fail to follow through when it matters most. Discipline, on the other hand, is a decision, not a feeling. It's the internal contract you make with yourself that says, I will do it, no matter what. It doesn't ask how you feel. It doesn't care if it's raining, if you're tired, if you had a long day. Discipline shows up even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. That's when it's strongest. At 4 a.m., when the alarm rings and your body begs for more sleep, you face a fork in the road, comfort or commitment. This is the battlefield where discipline is forged. Choosing to rise, to push forward, and to act, that's where growth begins. And that choice must be made again and again until it becomes second nature. It's not glamorous. No one sees you groggy. No one claps for you when you show up to train, right? Learn or work while the world is still asleep. But that's the beauty of discipline. It's built in private, and it shows in public. Discipline removes decision fatigue. When you build the habit of doing things whether you feel like it or not, you stop negotiating with your mind. You don't wake up and ask, should I go to the gym? You just go. You don't debate whether to work on your goals. You've already made the choice. And over time, this reduces stress, strengthens your willpower, and makes you incredibly consistent. The 4 a.m. mindset embraces this truth. You will never always be motivated, so you must learn to be disciplined. You don't wait for the mood to strike. You don't need the perfect song, the ideal weather, or a wave of inspiration. You get up and you go, because that's what it takes. Every time you act out of discipline, you're sharpening your edge. You're creating internal strength that can't be faked or borrowed. You're earning the kind of self-respect that comes only from doing the hard things consistently. And in the long run, discipline will take you where motivation never could. Because discipline isn't loud. It's quiet, steady, and relentless. It's what transforms dreams into plans, and plans into achievements. In the realm of high performance and long-term success, discipline is the quiet architect behind every achievement, every breakthrough, and every transformed life. Motivation may light the fire, but discipline is what keeps it burning when the winds of laziness, fear, and doubt try to put it out. The 4 a.m. mindset is built on this exact principle that motivation is fleeting, but discipline is a force you command. Think about the days you feel completely uninspired. You're exhausted, stressed, perhaps even discouraged by lack of results. On these days, motivation is nowhere to be found. And that's when most people retreat. They skip the gym, they delay the writing, they postpone the studying, they convince themselves they'll try again or tomorrow. But the truth is, tomorrow is a lie that comfort tells you to keep you average. Discipline, however, doesn't care about emotions. It isn't a slave to feelings. It obeys a higher standard, one rooted in commitment and consistency. The person living with the 4 a.m. mindset doesn't ask if they're in the mood to show up. They understand that their future depends on whether or not they can master their habits. And that mastery is born from discipline, not inspiration. Discipline is doing the work even when no one is watching. It's getting out of bed when your body protests. It's sticking to your routine when temptation whispers. It's pushing through discomfort, boredom, and fatigue. Because you've made a promise to yourself, and you don't break it. That self-trust is priceless. It creates a mental foundation that allows you to handle pressure, delay gratification, and keep moving forward when others fold. At 4 a.m., discipline is tested in its rawest form. There are no crowds, no applause, no external validation, just you and the decision to honor your goals. And this is what separates the serious from the curious. Curious people act when it feels good. Serious people act regardless. It's also important to realize that discipline is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Every time you choose action over excuse, you reinforce the identity of a disciplined person. You begin to associate discomfort with progress, not pain. Eventually, the things that once felt hard become second nature, not because they're easier, but because you've become stronger. Think of elite athletes, master musicians, top entrepreneurs, or military leaders. None of them rely on motivation to reach their level of excellence. They've trained their bodies and minds to show up no matter what. The 4 a.m. mindset draws directly from this model. It asks you to install systems that are so powerful, they carry you through on the worst days. Systems that don't depend on how you feel, but on who you've decided to be. The paradox is that discipline, while difficult in the moment, leads to long-term freedom. The freedom to live a life of purpose, health, strength, and achievement. The freedom to look in the mirror and be proud of the person staring back. And that level of freedom, of internal power, is something motivation alone will never deliver. Discipline is the bridge between desire and results. It's the reason some people talk about change, while others become it. One of the most powerful and underrated benefits of the 4 a.m. mindset is the opportunity to reclaim time. Pure, undisturbed, intentional time. Before the world begins to pull you in 100 different directions. In a society that constantly demands your attention, waking up before the chaos starts is not just an advantage, it's a strategic weapon. At 4 a.m., you're not competing with deadlines, notifications, conversations, or expectations. You are free. Free to think. Free to plan. Free to build. When you rise early, you gain access to something most people never experience. Mental clarity. The early morning hours are often the most focused, undistracted, and creative part of the day. The brain is fresh, the world is silent, and your energy hasn't yet been drained by decision fatigue or external noise. In these moments, your thoughts are sharper, your goals are more visible, and your willpower is at its peak. This is the golden hour for personal development, deep work, and self-alignment. Most people complain about not having enough time, not enough time to exercise, to read, to journal, to meditate, to work on that side project or passion. But the truth is the time exists. It's just buried under late nights, scrolling screens, and wasted hours. The 4 a.m. mindset forces you to flip the equation. Instead of trying to squeeze growth into the cracks of a chaotic day, you build your day around growth. You create space at the beginning of the day, not at the end when you're exhausted and unfocused, but at the start when your mind is clean and undisturbed. Waking up before the world also instills a deep sense of ownership. You start the day on your terms. Instead of reacting to to emails, problems, or people. You begin by setting your own direction. You decide what matters. You focus on what you want to build, change, improve, or master. That sense of personal control is incredibly empowering. It tells your mind, I lead my life. I don't just respond to it. That perspective, repeated over weeks and months, rewires your entire relationship with time, productivity, and purpose. This early morning window is also when you can engage in high-level thinking. The kind of thinking that can't happen when your phone is buzzing and your schedule is packed. It's when vision is born. It's where you ask deeper questions. Where am I heading? What habits are shaping my future? What must I stop tolerating? What must I begin pursuing? These aren't questions you reflect on in between meetings. They require solitude, silence, and space. And the hours before dawn provide exactly that. There's also a physical edge to reclaiming time early. Whether it's through a workout, cold shower, stretching, or a brisk walk, moving your body at 4 a.m. sends a message to your brain that you're in command. That you're not drifting through the day, you're attacking it. While others are still asleep, you're sweating, pushing, improving. That small edge, repeated consistently, builds real momentum and confidence. And beyond all the practical benefits, there's a profound psychological shift that happens when you wake up early for yourself. Not because you have to, but because you choose to. You stop seeing time as something that slips away and start seeing it as something you can seize. You become more intentional, more deliberate, more present. You stop rushing through life and start leading it. Minute by minute, hour by hour, choice by choice. Reclaiming time before the world wakes is about taking back control in a world that constantly tries to distract you, delay you, and drown your priorities in noise. It's a daily statement of self-respect, a daily investment in mastery, and a daily reminder that your time is your most valuable currency. And those who wake at 4 a.m. are not spending it aimlessly. They are multiplying it. The 4 a.m. mindset is not just about productivity. It's about power. Not physical power, but the inner strength that shapes every area of your life. Mental toughness, emotional control, and the ability to endure discomfort without folding. Waking up at 4 a.m. is not easy, and that's exactly why it matters. The very act of doing something difficult, every single day, begins to forge a level of mental resilience that few people ever develop. When you make the choice to